Why are there not more people talking about the epic battle between two-stroke and four-stroke engines? Let's dive in and settle this once and for all. Alright, so a two-stroke engine fires once every revolution. That's like getting double the bang for your buck. But wait, there's more. These babies are lighter and simpler, perfect for things like dirt bikes and chainsaws. But they can be a little noisy and not so eco-friendly. Now, four-stroke engines? They fire every other revolution, that's all. More parts, sure, but they're smoother and more efficient. Think cars, lawnmowers, and bigger bikes. They're quieter, cleaner, and yes, they sip fuel more gently. So, two-stroke for that raw power and simplicity. Four-stroke for efficiency and smoothness. Both have their charms, right? Which one revs your engine? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engine talk. Catch you in the next one.